Hey guys, I hope you're having a nice time. Today we will speak about this Wipro LED rechargeable lantern. As you can see, it is given here. The box is here. So this is the box which it comes in. All the instructions, specifications, same as before, and some product features. Okay, moving on. Let's unbox this. See what it comes inside. Oh, the stuff itself. Let's try to take this out. Nothing. Move it on the side. Now it comes in a very nice protective thing. Let's see what you have inside more. So we have the charging cord, the very basic one. And what you have here? You have the warranty card, which is not signed. Okay. And you have the instruction manual, rechargeable LED light. Let us see. Okay, nice. Thank you for using our product. How to operate, how to charge, and so forth. Technical data. Nice. Now let us move to this is the product, guys. It's a very nice product. So let us first talk about some specification of this. So it has 15 pieces of 0.5 watt LED plus 15 pieces more of that LED inside that, and it has a 3.7 volt or 1800 mAh lithium battery. It also have a charging indication and overcharging and deep discharge protection. The charging time for this is 8 to 6 hours. So the working time, if you use it at the cool light, if we just switch it on, so this is the cool light, as you can see. So it works for 6 hours. And if you switch it to the neutral light, which is this, it's more bright, as you can see, it works for 4 hours. Now moving on to the other spectrum, the final one, which is the warm light, it works for 6 hours. So here it is the thing. Now let us switch it off. It works like this. So the product feature, so what it comes with a flexible handle, as you can see here. Very nice flexible handle, and has a 360 light distribution. So it's like a whole 360, as you can see. And you can tune to any color. For example, as I have shown you before, the cool part, if you switch it on, that is the first thing. So the temperature or the color is basically cold light, and the temperature is 6500 Kelvin. Now if you just directly move it to the warm light, as you can see here, the temperature is 2700 Kelvin. You can set it or adjust it according to your mood. And finally, what it comes with a 6 months on product warranty. The price what I have paid was around 800 rupees for this, and I bought it from amazon.in, and it was on sale. The original price, as you can see, was mentioned on the box, and it is given as 1490 rupees, and you have the manufacture date and so forth, everything. So guys, this is the product. I hope you liked it. It's very nice. I can show you the lights again, as lying down here: cold white, neutral light, and finally the warm light. Thank you so much.